So welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another new paid internship that is from IISc Bangalore. Now who can apply for this opportunity? Let me just tell you. So who can apply? If you are in your fourth year of the BE or BTech, or you have completed, means graduated, you can apply for it. If you are from BE, BTech, EC and Triple E telecommunication or related fields, you can apply for it. If you are having strong interest in signal processing, wireless communications, machine learning, and all the things, and you'll be able to work independently and collaborate within the team, then you can apply for it. What is the application process? You have to just click on the form link which I have attached in the description box. This form will open. Now here also you can see they have mentioned the details, the same details which I have already told you. Now here you have to enter your email address, your specialization, name, contact number. Here you have to add your WhatsApp number, which is similar to your contact number. And if you have different numbers, means personal contact and WhatsApp number, just mention your WhatsApp number over here. Okay. Now here you have to mention your university or institute of graduation from where you are graduating or graduated, and then you have to mention your highest degree, whether you are graduated or BTech final year. Then you have to mention the overall CGPA or percentage in BTech, CGPA or percentage in 12 and 10th. And here you have to upload your CV. It should be in PDF format and maximum size is 10 MB. Areas of interest and date of joining you can mention over here. So you can just mention it and submit directly. Once you have submitted all the things, you'll be getting update regarding the notification that whether you have selected or not via email. Okay, so these are the things I wanted to share because this is an amazing opportunity for all the people if you want to take the benefit of it. And we have multiple events, also multiple opportunities in the channel. If you just explore, we have free courses, free challenges, facts and goodies, hackathons, and much over here. Just check out the channel and you'll be able to find everything free of cost. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great ahead.